Gathee wa Njeri nĩatheretie ndeto ciĩgiĩ kana nĩegũkorwo agĩtiga ûini now that he has officially joined politics. Ririkana nĩarehotanĩire gĩturwa kĩa MCA kwao Gaturi, na andũ aingĩ maratigwo makĩyũria kana hihi nĩegũthiĩ na mbere na ûini kana rĩu gũgũthiĩ atĩa. No Gathee wa Njeri, he has taken to his Facebook page and he has personally answered that question. Oho nĩacokeirie andũ othe ngatho, family yake na andũ othe a Gaturi, and this is what he said: "Ladies and gentlemen, I take this platform to thank God, my family, Gaturi people, friends and supporters for believing in me. It's by grace of God that I won Gaturi Ward MCA seat 2022. We shall work together and make Gaturi better. Remember, politics is just competition but not enmity. We are all brothers and sisters. Nobody should be victimized that he or she did not support this or that. A leader is there for everyone. To all the other aspirants, you didn't lose. We won together. We will join hands and see how we can make 5 years work easier by combination of ideas, because we are friends, one love." To my fans, the music journey is still there to continue. I feel energized, like I've started again. Office hours are daytime and entertainment is done at late hours. We have good example of Mwalimu George Wajaro, who was a high school teacher and at the same time a performing artist. We have Samido, who is a cop and a performing artist. Therefore, tupatane pale pale masaa ile ile tukifanya vile vile. Special thanks to people, might not be able to mention all of them by names, and companies such as Nyota Music School and Dama Mobile Spares, among others, for believing in me and immense support and prayers. Only God will reward you. My win is an encouragement and inspiration to young people that they are equal to different tasks and no human is limited. With God, everything is possible. I will keep my promise to my people, and by grace of God, we will rise together. Hashtag in God we trust. Hashtag Gaturi01. Hashtag MCA 2022. Wow. He has even shared the certificate of his certificate of elected member of county assembly near Nohaha. Na ndũmĩrĩri ĩno nĩ yatuĩka ya kũhũmũra mafans ake aingĩ mũno arĩa rĩu maratigĩtwo na kĩmako makĩrigwo gũgũthiĩ atĩa now that he has joined politics, but he has confirmed that he is not going anywhere. Music for him will forever be a part of him, na koguo alirutaga wĩra during the day na ũtukũ agacemania na mafans ake kama kawaida. He will still be performing, gũtirĩ ũndũ ũcenjetie, na nginya nĩaheana ngerekano ya Samido ũrĩa he is also a cop and also an artist, na nginya wa George Wajaro, who he says was a teacher and was also at the same time a performing artist. Koguo nake, he will still continue being the artist that we know him. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.